8. In lesson 3, we are still learning about Pythagoras' theorem. We have learnt to find the hypotenuse, and then we learnt to find the shorter side. Now we want to mix the two types together. So let's quickly recap. The formula for finding the longest side is h for hypotenuse equals the square root of a squared plus b squared. If we are trying to find a shorter side, the formula is a equals the square root of h squared minus b squared. So when we look at these questions here, we have to decide which type of question it is so that we choose the right formula. So let's look at our first question. Because we have both of the sides next to the right angle, we have the two shorter sides and we are trying to find the hypotenuse. So we're going to use the hypotenuse formula. H equals square root of a squared plus b squared. Subbing in, the a and the b will be the 10 and the 5. So we have the square root of 10 squared plus 5 squared. Put that into the calculator. We get square root of 10 squared plus 5 squared, which to one decimal place will be 11.2 meters. Question 2, finding the missing side again. This time when we look at our right angle, we are missing one of the sides next to the right angle. That means that is one of the shorter sides, which we call A. The shorter side formula is A equals the square root of h squared minus b squared. H is the longest side, which will be the 12, and the b will be the other side. Subbing in, we get the square root of 12 squared minus 9 squared. Putting that in our calculator, 12 squared minus 9 squared is 7.9 rounded to one decimal place, and that's in meters. Question 3. Are we finding a hypotenuse or are we finding a shorter side? So let's have a look. We have got our right angle and we are missing the side next to the right angle, which means it's a shorter side. So this is the A formula. A equals the square root of h squared minus b squared. The hypotenuse is the longest side, the b is the other side. Subbing in, we get square root of 1.32 squared minus 0.71 squared. A lot of decimals in there, so type this one in carefully. 1.32 squared minus 0.71 squared. That is 1.1 centimetres. One more go. We have question 4. Now we have both of the sides next to the right angle, which means we have both of the shorter sides and we are finding the hypotenuse. So h for hypotenuse equals the square root of a squared plus b squared. The a and the b doesn't matter which one is which. I'm going to put in 0.37 squared plus 0.21 squared. This is equal to 0.37 squared plus 0.21 squared is 0.4 kilometers. Okay, your turn to practice mixed up Pythagoras' theorem questions on pages 6 to 8.